If you want to increase your energy, you need to become more self-aware of what fuels your energy and what depletes it. It sounds easy enough, but when you get into the nitty-gritty, it's actually a little more complex. Most people would use a blanket label and say, work drains me and video games fuel me, but we need to take a closer look at how everything affects us. For example, we claim work is the reason we are irritable or have had a rough day. But how was our sleep the night before? What did we eat? Was our energy level lower than normal, and that's what led to our being more irritable than normal? But because we are getting mad at work, we blame work. So, is it work that drained your energy, or was it the lack of energy you had going into work? Here is another example. How often have you analyzed how your body felt after eating a meal? Were you bloated, tired? Did you take a nap? Did you lose your focus? Did you have to take Tums or Pepto? Most of us are so distracted from feeling full and the pleasure we get from eating salt, sugar, and fat that we don't think to question how our body actually feels with what we are giving it. My point being is that our energy management isn't always what it seems, and if we are to get better at increasing our energy, we have to get to the root cause and become more self-aware of what is fueling us and what is draining us. This is why I suggest dual energy checking. The way it works is that you set your alarm to go off twice a day, perhaps in the later morning and early evening. When it goes off, you take a moment to analyze how you feel energy-wise and why. Do you feel drained? Why? Do you feel energized? Why? Keep a log, and over time you will develop this database of energy information that will reveal what you need to mitigate and what you need to increase. Perhaps running a report at work is exceptionally draining, so you need to incorporate more breaks during the process or refuel after the process. Maybe that meal is draining more energy than it's giving you, and you shouldn't have it on busy days. You enjoy that meal, but it doesn't sit well with your stomach, so you either eliminate it or have it earlier in the day so it doesn't ruin your night. Keeping this log will help you manage your energy and become more energy self-aware. The better you manage your energy, the easier it is to do difficult things. Perhaps you discover that doing that difficult task is easy to do when you rest before and after the task. This log will help you with those difficult tasks so that you can create the life you want to live.